Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fun English Talks. I'm Emma, and I hope you're smiling today.
And I'm Jake, the man, the myth, the guy who somehow loses his socks, even when they are on his feet.
True story. I once saw Jake look for his glasses, and they were on his face.
Shh, Emma, don't expose my intelligence level so early in the show.
Jake, what is our topic today?
Ah, yes. Great question. Today, we are talking about fun and humor in everyday English conversation.
Yes, we will talk naturally, like real friends, with jokes, laughter, and real feelings, so you can learn English the way people actually speak.
Relax, smile, breathe. You're not in school here, you're at a friendly table with us.
Exactly. And today we will show how humor makes English easier and more fun. Jake, you look tired today. Long night?
Not tired. I am in energy-saving mode.
Like a laptop?
Yes, my brain battery, maybe 4%. No charger, no hope.
Your brain left the chat.
Yes, left the chat, blocked the chat, changed the Wi-Fi password.
You know, sometimes laughing like this is better than coffee.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's not say crazy things, Emma. Coffee is my religion.
So, Jake, what happened today?
I tried to be healthy. I woke up, looked at my running shoes, and said, no.
You talked to your shoes?
Yes, respectfully, I said, we will run, but not today, not tomorrow, and maybe not this year.
That's not running. That's planning to plan to run.
Exactly. I am an athlete in my dreams.
Even 5 minutes of walking can clear your mind.
True. And laughing clears stress too. It's like therapy, but free and no paperwork.
What did you do after your non-exercise exercise?
I made coffee, then another coffee, and I said, why am I shaking?
Too much coffee?
There's no such thing. If I say, I've had enough coffee, call a doctor.
Yesterday, I tried to bake bread, and it looked like a rock.
A rock?
Yes, even my knife said, no, thank you.
Bread so strong, it can join the army.
It can protect the country.
It's okay. Mistakes are normal. Food mistakes, life mistakes, language mistakes.
Yes, mistakes mean you are trying. Trying means growing.
When someone calls me and I forget English, I say, hello? Wait, brain, loading.
Brain loading, buffering, spinning wheel.
Yes, the wheel spins faster than my thoughts.
Sometimes you know English, but your brain is shy.
Yes, that is normal. Just breathe, smile, and say anything, even something funny.
You don't need perfect English. You need courage and a little humor.
You know, Emma, humor isn't just for fun. It actually helps people remember what you say.
Yes, exactly. When you add a little joke or a funny comment, it makes conversations more alive and more enjoyable for everyone.
So, it's like seasoning for conversation. A pinch of humor makes the whole chat tastier.
That's a perfect way to say it, Jake. Seasoning for English and friendship.
And the best part, you don't need to be a comedian. Even a small, funny word or a smile can make people laugh or feel relaxed.
Yes, beginners sometimes think, I must say a perfect joke. But no, just try something light or comment on something silly like, oops, I spilled my coffee again.
Exactly. Real conversations are about noticing funny things and sharing them naturally.
Now, we will give you some practical tips and advice on how to add humor and jokes naturally into your conversations.
Yes, these tips will help make your English more lively, more fun, and easier to remember.
Tip number 1. Observe your surroundings. Small things, funny actions can become conversation starters. For example, someone trips slightly. You can say, "Oh, I hope the floor isn't angry today."
Tip 2. Use wordplay or puns carefully. Even simple ones, like, I'm reading a book on anti-gravity. It's impossible to put down.
Tip 3. Respond with exaggeration. Not to be mean, but to create a funny image. For example, I was so tired today, I almost fell asleep in the shower.
Tip 4. Include yourself in the joke. Make fun of your own mistakes, like we did earlier with bread or coffee. It shows humility and makes others comfortable.
Yes, laughter is a bridge. It connects people and makes conversations more relaxed and memorable.
Emma, did you know adding humor also helps with learning English?
Yes, when you laugh or smile while speaking, your brain remembers words and phrases better.
Also, it reduces stress, so you are more confident, even if you make mistakes.
And people enjoy listening to you more. When your voice has warmth and a little fun, it makes conversations natural and real.
So, don't be afraid to make small jokes or funny comments, even if it's silly. It's all part of learning and connecting.
Another tip, practice humor in small conversations with friends, family, or even yourself.
Yes, even saying, I'm so clumsy today, or, oops, I forgot my keys, again. It trains your brain to use humor naturally.
Remember, it's not about telling the funniest joke. It's about sharing a moment that makes people smile or laugh together.
Exactly. And the more you do it, the easier it becomes to naturally add humor without thinking too much.
Yes, patience, practice, and courage. That's the key for making conversations lively and fun.
So, to all our listeners, don't worry about being perfect or making everyone laugh.
Just observe, notice, smile, and say something, even a little funny.
Your courage and humor will make conversations enjoyable and your English stronger.
Remember, laughter connects people and makes learning English fun and memorable.
Keep smiling, keep speaking, and keep sharing laughter.